Hello student, standard 6th English medium, subject maths, chapter number first knowing our numbers. To be continue, our next point is estimation. Students, estimation that means जब भी स्टूडेंट्स घर पे कोई सेलिब्रेशन होता है तो उसके अंदर कितने गेस्ट आने वाले हैं उसका हम एस्टिमेट लगाते हैं, but it is practically impossible. That is not we get a exactly number of visitors. So only we have to make a list, then approximate value we have find. Sometimes we goes to market and purchase some things, then afterward billing we discuss about that to traders. Can I give you round of figures? So here some numbers are given and we have to estimate them. So here the trader rounded off the amount to the nearest thousand and was satisfied that he had enough. So to estimate sum or difference, it's related. Example number 5, estimate 5290 plus 17,986. So round off 1000, 17,986, that means 18,000, and the round of 5290, so it's a 5,000. Now sum of estimate is approx 23,000. It is not sure, but it's a approximate of the actual addition, students. Same like that. Example number 6, estimate 5673 minus 436. Now to begin with a round of thousands, so it's become of 5673 round of 8s 6000, and here given that next value is 436, it's a round of 0. So estimated difference is 6000. So is it right? This is not a reasonable estimate. Now see, to get a closer estimate, let us try round off number of hundreds. So round of 100, 5673 round off is approx 5700, and 436 round off is 400. Now the difference is 5300. So to estimate the product, what is the estimate of 19 multi 78? See, if we approximate 19 to the nearest, then we get 20, and then approximate 78, it's 80. So 80 multi 20 equals to 1600. Look at again one more example, 63 multi 182. If we approximate both the nearest 100, we get 100 and multi 200. So it's become 20,000. This is much larger than the actual product. If we multiply actual, then it's this value is much larger than its actual. So to get a more reasonable estimate, we try rounding off 63 to the 60 and 182 it's a 180. So 180 multi 60 it's a 10,800. So this is good estimate, but it not quick enough. Okay, got it students? So the generally rule that we can make a therefore round off each factor to its nearest and greatest place. So then multiply the round off factors. Thus in the example of 63 to tens and the 182 the hundreds.